Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Simrat Pal Kaur, Principal of Sri Guru Harikrishna Senior Secondary Public School, Malyamwal, believes that ongoing teacher training is essential to meet the evolving needs of today's learners and to ensure that classroom practices remain relevant, engaging, and impactful. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us a very special guest. She is Simrat Pal Kaur, Principal, Sri Guru Harikrishna Public School, Malyanwar, Gurdaspur. So welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
It's really great. Time to Grow Media arranges really great interactions with the great leaders and great thinkers, educators, and vast type of examples are there. Like today also we had interaction with the great people, those who are doing at a global level great things, and means sitting in the school can't be means best experience. Coming here, knowing about everything, and introducing our students to the global world through the people, those who are here, will means help us develop and boost them and take them to that level they actually are made for. So hopefully our nation students will definitely grow more because of Time to Grow Media.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am, for such a compliment.
Thank you.
So first of all, I would like to ask you, like we see education is so much evolving today. It's not like कि पिछले ज़माने में जैसे ठीक है चौक डस्टर से पढ़ा दिया ब्लैक बोर्ड पे तो बच्चों ने सीख लिया. सो आज के टाइम में टेक्नोलॉजी एंड और इतने सारे पॉलिसी चेंजेस के बीच में हम कैसे इंश्योर करें कि जो हमारे टीचर्स हैं दे आर regularly trained and it ensures their continuous growth.
As you know, we used to use cell phones, mobile phone, landline phones, but timely they have been updated. So similarly, if the teachers have to be into the competition of this present world, if they have to teach the students of present, if they have to teach the present generation, they do need to be updated, and for that they need to be trained.
Right.
And CBSE is definitely working a lot for it. We have a lot of training sessions out means in the other schools, even in our schools also, that we arrange for the special type of training so that they can update themselves, they can come to know, they can interact with the people, those are using best methodologies for teaching. That experience can only be when we come out of our hole and try to be in interaction with the people, those who are really working very hard for that. And moreover, Time to Grow Media is one of the platforms that the teachers really need to know, that they are introducing such type of great leaders, those who are really improving everything, not only the education, the skill development, the safety, security of the students, and the career boosting. And that can only be possible if we come to know, and that's only possible if we come to these interactive sessions. And definitely my best experience has been with Time to Grow Media. Again and again, previous year also had been. Today, this time I had less time, but still I thought I need to visit so that I should not miss the things that are really needed for our students. So
absolutely, ma'am. It's our pleasure to host you again. And so my next question to you would be, we know students and teachers are equally important, but so are the parents.
Parents are the great stakeholders.
Absolutely. So how do you make sure they are equally involved in the children's everyday education process, and also, like a community building exercises?
Yeah, definitely. They are at the backstage, but their role is very, very important.
Right.
I think so more important than the teachers and the educators. The reason behind, the parents, first of all, need to bring the child to the school. There are so many excuses these days that they are not interested to come to school. The concentration is all broken just because of the multimedia. They are so much involved in the entertainment. They don't want to come out of their holes in order to learn. And the curiosity has been said in the Time to Grow Media today by one of the educator.
Right.
The thing is this, it is very important. The curiosity need to be increased. The reason behind it's not been increased, they are totally involved. They are totally filled in. The reason is basically the wrong use of the mobile. If it is used in the correct way, then definitely it can improve a lot. So parents need to make sure that everything must be in the limited things. They need to schedule everything. Even though they are self-study, they are learning, they are maybe any other type of activities they are doing at home. If it is too much involved, if they are too much involved in the entertainment through mobiles, and definitely it is not a good thing. It is a negative point.
Absolutely.
For thinking, for learning, it is very important. They need to refresh their mind. They need to have peace mind, and multimedia these days, the wrong multimedia I'm saying about.
How do you make sure
that.
that implies on the campus as well?
Definitely it can be done with the support of parents. If we're talking about the parents, they need to bring the child to the school, and definitely they need to be healthy, not only through like body, but through soul and through mind as well. And that can happen only if they limit themselves to the things they entertain a lot. And school definitely need to have interaction with the parents through PT meets, through special meets, through means for the student, those who are having a lot of problems. Means today in the morning itself, I had interacted with 3 parents. The reason behind, the students were quite weak in the studies, and the reason behind, they were quite weak in basic. So now I have asked the parents to help means cooperate with the teachers, so that we can improve the basic of those students, and even they can come in the competition with the other students, and even their career, their future can also be secure with that.
That's absolutely right, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your views.
Thank you so
It's
much.
an absolute pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.